Want to create an Instagram account but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an Instagram account. So first what you have to do is open your Instagram app, select create new account. After that, simply write the username that you want. Here I'm going to write anything. After that, click on create new password. Since I already have an account, it showed that. Now create a strong password for your account. Click on next, and after that write your email that you use on your daily basis. Here I'm gonna write my own email, then click on continue. Then you will receive a confirmation code in your email. Simply write the confirmation code here, and there you go, your Instagram account will be ready to use. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more how-to tips. Thank you.